Hi, welcome to Sign. Today's question, what is the DMCA? So the DMCA stands for the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, and this is an amendment to the Copyright Act of 1976. It was passed in 1998, and it was designed to criminalize the reproduction and dissemination of copyrighted works over the internet. And it also criminalized the bypassing of digital rights management, also called DRM software. This latter section of it did cause some controversy because someone could infringe upon copyright by bypassing the DRM software, even if the material protected by that software wasn't copyrighted. So you could essentially be charged with when you reproduce something that wasn't copyrighted, as long as it was protected by some sort of software. Another major section of the DMCA made it clear that an internet service provider would not be liable in any way if it provided internet that was used to violate the act. Before this, there was a risk that an ISP could be sued by the copyright works owner if that provider's internet was used to violate copyright, which would be like a store that sells knives being held liable for the use of one of its knives to stab or kill someone. So it just didn't really make sense before, and the DMCA cleared that up, that internet service providers were not liable for specifically copyright crimes committed over the internet, but just in general, crimes committed over the internet, it's not the fault of the internet provider. So like I said earlier, this law was passed in 1998, and at that point, depending on which state you look at, about 20% of houses had internet, and of course it would only skyrocket from there. So it was just put in place to expand the reach of the Copyright Act over the internet, which was during this time period sort of a Wild West area legally and otherwise. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was informative and entertaining. This is a part of a series we're doing on intellectual property and copyright, so be sure to check out the intellectual property playlist to learn more. There should be a little card to it on the right top corner of this video. For more educational content, please like this video and subscribe to the Slime channel. You can also find us on other social media sites such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Those links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with a brand new video.